Hey everyone, Nathan here with some great news. Introducing our new AI-powered market analysis robot. This isn't just another gadget, it is the product of extensive research and hard work by real experts. It's designed to make your trading efficient and successful. Just imagine, it is as straightforward as a mobile app but with real rewards. Today I will show you how to use this robot in real time. This could be your chance to turn things around and finally leaving paycheck to paycheck behind. Let's jump straight into the interesting part, seeing our robot in action. Here I am on the platform, ready to follow the robot's recommendations. In the first session, the robot suggests moving downward. I see the momentum slowing down, so a correction seems likely. I follow the robot's recommendation and everything goes as predicted. Here is the result. For the next pair, the robot gives a new direction, upward this time. The candlestick is at a resistance level with no pullbacks, meaning a breakout is possible. I jump in and secure another great result. It's all working perfectly. The robot is better than ever because it focuses on the most promising pairs. We analyzed a huge number of pairs and found the greatest teammates, like the Eurozone, Australia, and the US. Of course, the robot can pick others too. As these can change over time, we designed the robot to adapt and select the most optimal pair as needed, based on market conditions. It's all calculated to keep up with market dynamics, so the robot can adjust and choose the top performing pair. In the third session, the robot again suggests going up. I see a correction on the chart, so I immediately follow the trend. And once again, it's spot on. The candlestick moves as expected. The robot guides everything, so there is no need to struggle with analysis. Look, working with shorter intervals allow us to see results quickly. We gather market data and our robot acts with precision, learning from past market signals. You've seen the examples. When the robot signals down, we follow its guidance and there it is. The balance rises again. It's clear and effective. If you want to try yourself, just follow the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Now, another upward move. The candlestick is approaching a level and the robot signals that it is a good time to enter. I trust the robot and go for it. And as expected, everything goes smoothly. The robot predicts movements exceptionally well. Now let's talk about safety. Our robot is not only smarter but also more reliable. We added an advanced risk management system that analyzes sessions with vast amounts of data. We optimized everything crucial for the security of your savings, so you can trade with complete confidence, knowing it's all under control. How about entry accuracy? It's amazing. Previously we had slight delays, which could lead to minor missed opportunities, but now everything's on point. The updated algorithm is sharper, so the robot hardly ever misses an entry moment. It tracks trends, volatility, and dynamics on a deeper level, which means your reward grows more consistently. Another signal appears, and this time we're moving downward. The level has just been broken, and I'm expecting a retest as the candlestick returns to the level. The robot calculated it perfectly and we're closing the round in a green again. We've revised the analysis criteria for past trades and made sure the robot learns from the data to improve future results. It considers everything: chart analysis, entry timing, stop-loss placement, rewards tracking, execution, and exit points. The robot evaluates this information, draws insights, and adjusts its approach in upcoming rounds. It performs a mathematical review of the statistics from previous situations. This minimizes the chance of mistakes and makes the robot perform better with each new session. One more session for today. The robot signals up and anticipates that the candlestick will break the previous high. I enter with the trend. Everything moves according to plan. Yes, the recommendation worked, the high is updated and the account balance is up again. And finally, once more, the robot signals an entry, this time upward. After a retest, the candlestick starts moving higher on the chart, exactly as we anticipated. I followed the recommendation and the result was another success. Everything works seamlessly, clearly, and effectively. We understand that theoretically, unsuccessful session can happen. However, now the robot can analyze and most likely avoid repeating the same error. That's why we prioritize programming the robot to analyze past trades thoroughly and interpret the results accurately. Thanks to this, the robot is unlikely to enter losing sessions. It's more selective about which positions are worth entering. If there is a high chance of loss, it's likely to hold back. It's all about precision, ensuring you get results with confidence. Oh, and before I forget, I've got some exciting news for you. The platform I'm using offers an extra 50% on your deposit for everyone who registers using my promo code. That's 50% of your initial deposit. Can you imagine? So you put 100 and your account already shows 150. You haven't done anything yet and it's already 150 instead of 100. Pretty amazing, right? Jump in now. Now, here are some of the latest updates for our robot. My team and I really dug into its brain, analyzing everything possible with AI to see where it needed some tightening or acceleration. We examined every part of the process, from market analysis to workflow, and kept going until it was perfect. Sure, there were errors along the way, but that's all part of how it works. When something didn't go as planned, we refined it, tested again, and kept it until the robot became a true powerhouse. After hundreds of tests, we released this update and now your results soar like a rocket. But hold on, we're not done yet. We're constantly making improvements. Our ambition goal is to make it stand out among all other market analysis algorithms out there. And we're moving fast toward that goal. A new robot update is already in the works, so if you are not with us yet, now it's the perfect time to join and get the most out of it with minimal effort. So, dear analysts, I'm Nathan, and I've introduced you to our market analysis robot, a reliable assistant built on years of experience and top-notch AI technology. This robot can deliver results with minimal effort. Join us in our live sessions where the robot analyzes the market and makes successful moves. Ready to take your market analysis to the next level? If so, join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Thank you for being with me today, and see you in the next session.